It's been a long time, almost 2 years since I posted it. Life got busy, work got over, and YouTube took a backseat. I missed creating, teaching, and connecting with this community. And today, finally, I'm back. I've been working on something fresh, something that every designer needs right now. We are entering into a world where AI is transforming design faster than ever. So I'm starting a series that will prepare you for that future. Starting today, I'm launching 100 Days of Becoming an AI Powered Designer, a series that will teach you how to use AI efficiently in your UX design workflows. You will learn workflows, tools, prompts, and real life examples that you can apply instantly in your design process, whether you are a beginner or a working designer. If you've been here since the beginning, thank you for sticking around. And if you are new, welcome aboard. There is a lot coming. I'm excited to build this journey with you. So let's begin.